Hi! In front of me is FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then click on App Settings at the top and select Most Recent under App Notifications. Then click on the best option for you. Now, by tapping on blue sweaters next to your apps, you can disable notifications from them. In order to switch them back on, click on the same, now gray sweaters. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!